Today is a very interesting day. My roommate, Michael, bought a car and he tried to find a clean example of this car. Spent a lot of money on it and had low mileage. Here it is, 2013 Subaru BRZ with around 90,000 miles. NVIDIA exhaust, trashy taillights, Kansai wheels, stock suspension, and some crappy like interior crap. Anyways, this is like the cleanest example you could find, and 7 days into ownership it decided to rod knock. So he got really sad. This is like his first project car, I guess. This is his Mini Cooper, so we're gonna be replacing the engine in that. We're driving all the way to Connecticut to go pick up a motor, but there's a story to this. Like, we actually have to pull the motor out of the car that we're picking it up from. So Michael, myself, and a couple of friends are gonna go get everything we need so he can drive with me. This car is gonna be back on the road. I am working on some bits, rebuilding the calipers and brake system and some other small stuff like wheel bearings. So yeah, I am going to empty out my daily. We're gonna fit an engine hoist in here, all my tools, and we're gonna convoy it and get this engine. So let's get started. It's 8-6 heaven here.
The hot boy.
Two-door coupe house. Damn house looks like a junkyard right now. Every car on this property looks like junk.
And they all have check engine lights too.
Not mine. Does that have a check engine light?
No, not a
Boom. What? I hate you for that.
I tried to pop the trunk so you can get a video of it.
we're all packed up. Jack's every tool imaginable because we're on a time crunch. And then
it's not that big of a time crunch, dude.
All right, whatever you say.
All right.
Whatever you say, Bronco.
All right, everyone got the Addy?
Yeah, I gotta scroll through our text.
Are we taking 4 cars?
No, we're taking 3.
Okay.
Who's coming with me?
Do you need someone with you? I was gonna go with David.
That's all good.
Are you gonna crash and kill yourself on the way there?
You can't be saying this stuff on film.
You guys should definitely pull up to Yo, we're like 30 minutes in. We got this shit ready to go.
Did we start timing it?
No.
I should have put a time lapse. That would have been so funny.
We got here an hour ago.
We can check the timestamp on my dash cam.
Well,
see when we got
starters
here.
out, alternators out, AC compressors out, brake boosters out, coolant line for the heater cores out, upper and lower radiator hoses
did we
out.
cut the
Don't
fuel
forget
lines?
the starter.
I cut it.
Yeah, we had to cut the fuel lines off.
Yeah, you said it's cool.
Yeah, we got permission first.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not gonna destroy a car that's not ours. This is in the junkyard.
Why did we unbolt this?
Because it was in the way of the bracket. That was
okay.
moving. Yeah.
Something.
Why ask these stupid questions?
Yes.
Brought the Civic out of the Regal with the trans on it and brought it just
Yeah, with enough men, we can easily pull this through. So, how do you think we got most of the stuff in the basement? There you go. All right, so as you guys can see in that time lapse, yesterday we picked up the new engine from Michael's car and we put it in my basement. So F820 has an XD stage 1 clutch, pretty much all stock, has a parent front pulley, and yeah, we're just gonna clean it up, do some maintenance, put this guy in the car in a couple of days. He ordered some parts, new throwout bang, valve cover gaskets, etc., just to get this one straight. This is off a 2016 motor. It has more miles. Michael's car has 90,000 miles, but this one has like 140,000, but the owner maintained it, was really good with it. pretty much just totaled it up. I think the car was in an accident. He's just partying it out. So that's how we ended up with this. So shout out to Cody for really hooking us up with this. And all the other little parts that we got with it. So yeah, we're gonna pretty much leave all the accessories and stuff on this block and move things over. So the next clip will be rolling into that, but had to update it. I forgot to bring out the camera. I'm like trying to get better at this. So yeah, good old FA20. Hopefully this one's a good one.
Several days later.
Mounts were gone. So old motor mounts actually like demolished off of the new motor. So this is the ones that came on the new motor. That's off the new motor, dude.
So you moved the motor
Yeah,
mounts
so we
over.
went unbolted them from the old motor, shoved them on.
Well, I just got here and I guess engine's out of the car. You left the headers in the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, the bolts for the where they
Mount to the cat?
yeah, they're fucking
Seized?
smoked.
That's...
Yeah,
They're not the worst.
That's what I was telling you about.
Oh, that's what you meant?
I was like, dude, you should probably spray those in PB and
We
like
did.
beat the crap out of them. Like before we had started this.
Yeah, well, I mean, if we need to take them out, we could take it out now and lift it through the top.
But that's a feature you problem, to be honest.
Word. Then
You got the fuel lines off. Did you take a picture of the way they go?
Yeah, they only go.
No,
they go just in that orientation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Boom. That's how you film, little man. Boom. We got the engine, little man.
Where's the other pick?
All of you are useless and fired.
Oh shit! I'm always
Wait, can I see that
fired.
quick?
One goes here.
No, don't look this way. I'm doing all the heavy lifting.
I had a hammer I was talking on earlier.
We're losing sunlight, but essentially everything is on the engine. Serpentine belt, alternator, AC compressor, heater core lines, starter, bell housing bolts except for one. That's a story for another day. Fuel lines,
Nope, I'm
headers,
just getting them out of the way.
Oil.
exhaust. We have oil, new oil filter. Is
Put them
that-
with all the other tools.
yeah, new oil filter. Ground.
All of this.
Did we do those ground straps?
Oh,
Yeah, we did the ground straps. Me and Mike did them.
Okay.
cool. All
So
right.
quick to say that. Give me credit. I did the.
No, Michael did it.
I did it.
I just witnessed him doing it. Just think the
We're semi-cleaning up, almost ready for the first start.
overpays for his
Car is back on the ground. Wheels are getting tightened.
fucking landlord.
Roughly
ass
tightens.
rip-off.
Yeah, ready to put coolant in here. Everyone's being a
So
menace.
roughly tight, not torqued.
Yeah, I'll keep a mental note for him so he doesn't become an obit. What's up, big back?
He got the pizza. Yeah,
He brought it.
He kind of looks like
he got the pizza.
a dinosaur. All right, intake's going on. Then battery, then we prime the system.
It came with this intake.
I was gonna say match.
You're all right. Nice. Congratulations.
Do you think they'll know it's a boxer?
Nope.
Yeah, me neither.
All right, modders.
It kind of looked like a LS.
I think all it
you know
needs
what
is
I'm
coolant and a
Oh
battery.
God, would they let anyone in here? Huh?
You got a phone charger. You can plug the sensor up.
Yeah. All right. Fuel pump fuse is coming out. Holy Christ. And then we crank, and then we get it going.
Oh, you're Michael's brother.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, dude, big fan.
Fuck off.
What's up? Well, where is the key? All right.
Yeah, someone else did.
See if we messed it up. I'm not really afraid. The fuel pump is disconnected, so clutch in, neutral. It cranks. Cool. That's a start.
Is that a fuel issue?
No, we disconnected the fuel pump.
Dude, this is so nerve-wracking.
I'm gonna do that like 2 or 3 more times, and then we'll try to fire it up just to build up some oil pressure.
Did we put coolant in it?
Not yet, but when the car starts, we'll start filling it with coolant.
All right.
Yeah. So. What?
Where's the coolant?
You know what? Just put the fuel pump in.
Is it still in your car?
Are you priming fuel?
Oh yeah, my back seat.
All right, I'm gonna do that one more time. All right. Put it in.
Okay.
Michael's not even here!
That's a good shit, dude.
Fired right up.
With no lights.
No, no lights.
No lights.
Wow. Wow.
You stop tapping.
All right, let's start filling it with coolant.
It's just the oil burn. Pour some in, big bar?
Hell yeah. Started right up.
You want me to kill it? And pour.
That's actually fucking beautiful. No problem whatsoever.
Can we kill it?
What? No. Keep it running.
Yeah, do that. It'll burn
We're gonna get it up to operating temp. Hopefully we don't
Pour
have any
sideways.
coolant leaks.
Should I start pouring in here?
Mark,
Whole thing,
Mark
buddy.
is on coolant duty. All right, Michael and I are about to go out to the local bar to go hang out, and we're gonna take the BRZ. We literally just put the engine in. So this is his first test drive. Pretty sick, if you ask me. Maybe we can get some rollers and all of that. Nice. Yep, she's on the road. That is crazy. That is crazy. First drive. We bled the coolant system, and everything looked good. No leaks. One of the. Yep, she's moving. Shitty parking.
I know, I did a shit job. Again, it grabs super high. I'm just really not used to it.
Yeah, you might not even have to do a pedal adjustment. It's just a matter of getting used to it. Nice.
Do you think it has anything to do with that clutch?
Yeah, different clutches grab funny. Yeah.
Fair enough.
It's the nature of it. Sometimes you might have to adjust the pedal.
Dude, it was fun. I'm so glad I have the car back.
Hell yeah.
She drives. She's dirty, but she drives.